In this video we are going to talk about how to become a millionaire with stocks. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Investing in publicly traded companies is frequently advocated as a way to create true wealth for yourself and future generations. But given the volatility of the stock market, how does anyone benefit from stocks? Many people dream of becoming millionaires, but only a small percentage of those who try succeed. The good news is that even inexperienced investors may make wise choices. Being affluent in the stock market may appear to be limited to Wall Street insiders or wealthy investors. You don't have to be wealthy or an expert investor to make a lot of money. You will, however, need to plan ahead. If you follow these 3 steps, you could be on your way to becoming a multi-millionaire. Time is your friend when it comes to making money in the stock market. Investing is a long-term undertaking, and there is no certain path to wealth. You might be able to make more money if you had more time to invest. If you get a late start, becoming a multi-millionaire may be more challenging. Nonetheless, now is a much better time to start investing than later. Selecting the correct assets is crucial if you want to make the most money, but the process of purchasing stocks can be confusing. While investing in the next big thing, such as a gleaming new startup that promises to change the world, can make you a lot of money, you'll usually make more money if you stick to slow but steady investments. For many investors, an S&P 500 index fund is a solid choice. These funds follow the S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index, which is made up of slightly more than 500 equities from the country's biggest companies. The S&P 500 has averaged a 10% annual return since its inception. Furthermore, these funds are among the most secure ways to invest. The S&P 500 has seen its fair share of corrections and crashes over the years, but it has always recovered. The stock market will almost surely experience a dip throughout your investing career. Market corrections are inevitable and useful, but they may be terrifying as well. If you're worried about losing money, it's tempting to try to time the market. This, on the other hand, can sometimes do more harm than good. Even experts are unsure how the stock market will react because it is so unpredictable. Take the market crash of 2020, for example. Both the collision and the near-instantaneous recovery came as a shock. You could lose a lot of money if you try to play the market, but buy and sell at the wrong times, making your goal of becoming a multi-millionaire much more difficult. Rather than trying to time the market, it's best to ride out the storms. If you put your money in the right places, your investments should eventually recover. On the stock market, becoming a multi-millionaire is difficult, but not impossible. If you get started as soon as possible and build a strategy, it's easier than you think to make money through investing. Number 1. Gain a thorough understanding of the stock market and maintain your focus. If you want to grow your money in the stock market, you must have a working knowledge of the stock market and be comfortable with long-term investing. If you anticipate becoming a millionaire overnight as a result of a lucky stock pick, don't hold your breath. If you need help getting started, you can talk to a financial counselor. The Paladin Registry, for example, is a website that connects investors with fiduciary certified advisors. Maintain your focus on your investment goals and keep your cool during market downturns. Allow the market to take care of the heavy lifting. Number 2. Make an investment budget. Budgeting your earnings is a great strategy to save and invest. Investing payments should be included in your monthly budget to keep track of your holdings. Look for ways to save money so that you can put more money into your business. Cutting back on other expenses, regardless of how much you've previously put into savings, may allow you to invest even more. It's a good idea to hire someone to help you organize your funds. When you work with Facet Wealth, a financial planning company, you work with a professional financial planner who can help you manage your assets, savings, and other financial issues. Number 3. Invest in index funds. It is a little unrealistic to expect to get wealthy by investing in just one stock. This is why index funds have gained so much traction. You diversify your portfolio by investing in an index fund. Because you are investing in a range of companies in one fund, your investment in each fund is effectively reduced. As a result, each firm offers you a lower salary. However, you will lose less money if some of the companies turn out to be duds. Index funds are better suited for a buy and hold approach, and growing wealth over time in the stock market than searching for the one stock that will change your life forever. Number 4. Purchase and hold. You can see how owning and investing in a stock, such as Apple, can help you better your financial circumstances. Buy and hold refers to purchasing stock shares and holding them for the long term, even when the stock market is down. The most successful investors prefer the buy and hold strategy. In 2016, Warren Buffett observed, "The money is made in investments by investing and owning good firms over lengthy periods of time." Number 5. Buy and hold. The buy and hold strategy is the exact opposite of this. Shorting stocks is a strategy used by individuals who wish to make rapid money in the stock market. The basic concept is to borrow stocks and then sell them for cash at current market levels. You will, however, need to replenish the supply because you borrowed it. You're also responsible for paying dividends on any borrowed shares during that time. Short sellers anticipate a drop in the stock price, allowing them to repurchase it at a reduced cost. This implies they'll be able to take the difference with them when they return home. Because the difference can be rather big at times, short selling is a way to make money in the stock market. Shorting the market demands a deep knowledge of the market, as well as a calculated prediction of when the stocks will drop. You don't want to take out a long-term loan from them, since you'll wind up owing a lot of money in dividends. If you're interested in short selling, you can buy and sell stocks through a brokerage firm like E-Trade. Number 6. Make regular contributions to your portfolio. Making consistent contributions to your assets over time is a great way to build wealth in the stock market. It is a cost-effective solution for the average American. Many people do not have large sums of money to invest at any given time, but they do have smaller amounts over time to invest. Investing with consistency is a great strategy. Let's pretend you started with a $3,000 investment. You'll have $523,022 if you put $500 in your bank account every month for 30 years at 6% interest. If you paid $1,000 every month for 30 years, you'd have $1,027,897. If you're just getting started, you can use a calculator like this to examine how different levels of monthly contributions affect your investment outcomes, or you may use a service like Betterment to automate your investing. Personal capital is a terrific alternative for people with a little more experience. It not only keeps track of all of your finances in one location, but it also offers excellent wealth management services. How to make money in the stock market using math. In 1980, Apple's initial public offering, IPO, cost $22 per share. If you had invested $5,000 in the stock and held it until August 2018, the price would have increased by more than tenfold to $227.63 per share. But more critically, the stock had split 56 times at the time. You could have bought 227 shares for $5,000 in 1980. After the corporation has divided its stock and revised its business plan a few times, you'd possess 12,712 shares in Apple by 2018. At $227.63 per share, your $5,000 investment would have grown to $2,893,632.56. On the stock market, this is how you make money. It was a huge success. Long-term investing like that would have made you a multi-millionaire from just one company over the course of 38 years. So, in the stock market, how can you make that type of money? There is no one-size-fits-all answer, but there are a few things to think about. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.